Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Fun Podcast. I'm Lily.
And I'm John. Today we have a super exciting episode because we're going to teach you 10 popular American slang words that will make your English sound more natural and fun.
These are slangs that native speakers use every day in casual conversations, on social media, and even in movies. By the end of this episode, you'll know how to use them confidently.
And don't worry, we'll explain each word, give examples, and even show you short conversations so you can see how to use them naturally.
So let's dive right in. Number 1. Yo. Explanation. Yo is one of the simplest and most common American slangs. It's used as a casual greeting, like hello, or to get someone's attention. It's friendly, informal, and mostly used with friends or peers. Examples: Yo, how's it going? Yo, did you see the game last night? Yo, can you help me with this? Many conversations.
Yo, did you watch the new episode of that show?
Yo, yes, it was amazing. I couldn't stop laughing.
I know, right? Yo really sets the friendly tone.
Extra notes. Yo can also be used to call someone's attention, like, yo, check this out. Very casual, not for formal situations. Can be used alone or at the beginning of a sentence. Number 2. Lit. Explanation. Lit means something is exciting, fun, amazing, or lively. It is usually used for parties, events, music, or anything that feels energetic. Examples: The concert last night was lit. This party is so lit. Your new song is lit. I love it. Many conversations.
How was the concert?
Lit. The energy, the music, everything was perfect.
That sounds amazing. I wish I went.
Extra notes. Can describe food, games, or experiences too. Often used with young people, trendy, and social media friendly. Number 3. No cap. Explanation. No cap means no lie, seriously, or I'm telling you the truth. It's used to emphasize honesty or certainty. Examples: This pizza is the best in town, no cap. I literally got an A on the test, no cap. She is the funniest person ever, no cap. Mini conversations.
Do you really like this game?
No cap, I play it every day.
Wow, you're serious then.
Extra notes. Cap alone means lie. Example, that's cap means that's a lie. No cap is widely used in modern U.S. slang and on social media. Number 4. Bet. Explanation. Bet can mean okay, I agree, or challenge accepted. The meaning changes depending on context. Examples: You can't beat me in basketball. Bet. Challenge accepted. I'll meet you at 5 p.m. Bet. Okay. Agreement. We'll finish this puzzle in 10 minutes. Bet. Mini conversations.
Can we finish this puzzle in 10 minutes?
Bet. Let's do it.
All right, let's go.
Extra notes. Very casual and short. Common in text messages, TikTok, YouTube comments, and conversations with friends. Number 5. Fam. Explanation. Fam is used to describe your family or close friends, the people you trust and are close to. It's like saying your people. Examples: Let's go to the movies, fam. Thanks for helping me, fam. I can always count on my fam. Mini conversations.
Are you coming to my birthday party?
Of course, I wouldn't miss it, fam.
Awesome. I'm glad you'll be there.
Extra notes. Fam is very casual, informal, and friendly. Can be used to show appreciation, closeness, or solidarity with friends. Number 6. Shook. Explanation. Shook is used when someone is shocked, surprised, or amazed. It can be positive or negative. Examples: I was shook when I saw the magic trick. She was shook after hearing the shocking news. He was shook when his favorite team lost the match. Many conversations.
Did you see the news about the award show?
Yes, I was shook. I didn't expect that winner at all.
Same here. I was totally shocked.
Extra notes can be combined with literally, like I was literally shook. Perfect for expressing strong emotions casually. Number 7. Gucci. Explanation: Gucci means everything is good, fine, or okay. It comes from the famous fashion brand but is used casually in slang. Examples: how's everything at school? Everything is Gucci. Don't worry, everything is Gucci. The plan is Gucci, we're ready. Many conversations.
Did you finish your homework?
Yeah, Gucci.
Nice. That's an easy way to say everything is okay.
Extra notes can also say all Gucci to mean everything is fine. Casual, modern, and widely used by younger Americans. Number 8. Flex. Explanation: flex means to show off, often your skills, style, or items. It can be playful or serious. Examples: he likes to flex his new shoes. She's flexing her cooking skills. They flexed their new bikes on Instagram. Mini conversations.
Look at my new bike.
Wow, flex much?
Haha, just showing a little.
Extra notes. Flexing can be positive or funny, often used in social media captions. Can show confidence or bragging in a friendly way. Number 9. Slay. Explanation: slay means to do something really well, impress others, or look amazing. Examples: you slayed that dance performance. Her makeup today is slaying. He slayed the presentation at work. Mini conversations.
Your outfit is amazing today.
Thanks, I'm trying to slay.
You definitely are.
Extra notes can be used as encouragement or compliments. Slay shows excellence, confidence, or style. Number 10. Mood. Explanation: mood is used when something represents your feeling or emotion. People use it when they relate to something. Examples: I stayed in bed all day. Mood. Eating pizza for breakfast? Mood. Watching TV on a rainy day? Mood. Mini conversations.
I'm tired and just want to relax.
Mood. Same here.
Exactly. It's like saying, I feel the same way.
Extra notes. Common in social media captions. Shows a feeling or emotion that is relatable. Very casual and fun to use with friends. That's it. 10 popular American slang words you can start using today.
Practice them with your friends, on social media, or even in class. The more you use them, the more natural they'll feel.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, comment your favorite slang, and subscribe for more fun English lessons.
Hit the notification bell so you never miss a video.
Thanks for listening. See you next time.